Hey, I'm Shrek, and today we're going to look at some campgrounds near Paducah, Kentucky. Be sure to like this video and click subscribe so that way you can get notifications on all my upcoming videos. First place we're going to check out is the Duck Creek RV Park. This is a quick tour of it as you would pull up from the road. That's the office right over here. Nice little community lounging area to relax at. Pool area. It's under construction right now again. And the sites are very level. Wi-Fi internet. And a big pond in the back where apparently you can go fishing from also. Laundry room is very nice and clean. I was really impressed with it. So are the bathrooms as well. Alright, so I'm at the Birdsville Riverside RV Park. A little bit of a tongue twister, I apologize. So just because of the season, they're not very busy. We're just going to do a quick turnaround from kind of the middle of the park. They have 34 slots right by the river here, and that is the Ohio River, you can see. I'll do one more view of it. They have 30 and 50 amp service. They do have bathrooms that you can use. They were locked up because they don't have anybody right here right now. It is under new ownership since roughly around March of 2020. And they do have Wi-Fi, but only up at the office. And as you can see, the office is a little far away, but it is incredibly quiet here. Nice, peaceful. The only thing that you can hear right now, other than me of course, is this just beautiful view of the Ohio River. All right, let's go check out some other places. If you're into fishing, the Birdsville Riverside RV Park, right next door to it, has this amazing boat landing where you can put your boat in the water, go it up and down. I think this is the Ohio River if I remember correctly, but there's also a lot of parking over here, so that way you can park with your trailer and your boat and everything, and it's a pretty good landing. So when you're in the Paducah area, if you have any issues with your camper or anything, I just checked out Real World RV. They're a really great group of people. I talked to them for about almost an hour. Real honest guys, and I even listened to their sales pitches for other campers. Just, they tell you the truth. They don't BS around, and they're just very helpful with everything. They actually helped me get some parts for my camper, and I really appreciate it, and I like recommending good places that will take care of you the same. All right, so we're at Stagecoach Station Campground. Just talked to the ownership and they gave me permission to video record. Real nice area, has propane services. They do not have 100% full hookups. The only thing that they don't have on their sites is full dumping services, but they have a honey pot that will come by once or twice a week at no additional charge. I know it's a guarantee for the one time. The second one, I think they work with you on that. We're not going to go and look inside their office area at the owner's request. Your way into this area, just so you know, they have a dump that is very convenient for cleaning out your tanks as you leave here. So I think that's just really convenient to have. All right, so here is a couple of their sites. So they are gravel sites. They do have water out here. Each site does look like it has a picnic table, has really nice fire pits. Here is their meter boxes, water hookup. Now look how beautiful of a nice fire pit that is. Now by the campsites, it's really quiet, and I'm a good few hundred feet away from where I was showing you the sites. But now on this little patio they have where it's got tables and the restrooms are right there, you can see through the woods that there's a highway. So I don't know if the summer when there's foliage on those trees, if it's a little quieter, but it is a little bit noisy on this patio. But again, at the sites I wasn't hearing any of the highway. Let's check out the men's room. Okay, nice, clean, very nice. Actually really like the color of the walls even. And they've got a cool map here showing all kinds of areas you can go check out for fishing, hunting, whatever your needs are. I'm nearby one of the furthest campsites from the office, and they still have a very strong Wi-Fi connection. I have AT&T phone service, and I just checked my signal strength here, and I'm getting 15 megabits a second down and 5 up. That's pretty darn good. I'm very impressed and happy. I know that Paducah is a little known for not having great signal strength when it comes to AT&T in spots, and I've noticed when I'm driving around, I've had a lot of dead spots in areas. But 15 down and 5 up, that's really good. Here we are at Camp Arama. They do mobile service and have a very large supply of parts and accessories for all your camping needs. So while you're going out camping, if the other place I mentioned doesn't have it, they'll have it for you or be able to get it in stock. Just depends on what your personal preference is. I just like you to have options though. I'm at Cypress Lakes RV Park right now. This is a very beautiful campground, and man, is this place huge. It took me maybe an extra 5 minutes at the slower speeds, of course, just to get to the office. I'm going to show you the office real quick behind me here. There is a nice little campground, and then we're going to look at one of these spots here, and I really like the way that they did their bays for campers, and they do have every single assortment of different slots, so that way you can park your camper nice. That is for you to be able to have a nice patio for your camper right outside your door with the picnic table, full power hookups, water, everything, and sewage. Their rates are really reasonable, and I'll post all the rates, as I said before, in the end. They also have a lake that you can get a permit to go fishing from. Okay, let's check out the bathroom area here. Okay, so we're outside the game room, and one of the cool things that I have not seen in years, but he has a payphone booth here. All right, so we're gonna go inside the game room now. Okay, so they do have internet at the office area, but they are working on getting internet throughout the entire campground, and their pool area is currently under construction. Being that the pandemic is going on, they're not having as many people here, which I'll show you in a second. It's pretty packed here, but they're trying to beautify it even more. And I just want to show you, if you can see behind me, he has a ship beached up on an island, and this lake behind me is 35 acres stocked with fish. And I'm just going to show you real quick around. This place is amazing. With AT&T internet, the download speed was 17 megabits a second and upload was 6 megabits per second. So the owner showed me a quick video off his phone. Unfortunately, it's put away right now, but he has a trackless train for kids to go out and have fun and enjoy a little bit of a ride.